What's up, Ja babes? It's your girl Ja Renee. You don't want to know why? Because you tuned into Ja's World. Alright, today you guys, I am starting the 5-week series for small YouTubers like myself on how to grow on YouTube in 2019. So in this first video, this is how to even start a YouTube channel and how to get to your first 1,000 subscribers fast. So if you want to know what tips I have in store for you, then just keep watching. I remember when I first wanted to start a YouTube, I used to find tons of excuses not to. I complained that I didn't have the right equipment or the timing wasn't right. And I just felt like everything had to be perfect, like the big YouTubers that you watch on YouTube who already have their shit together, basically. Back in 2011, when I first started my YouTube channel, I used an Android phone. Yes, Android, not iPhone. And I had no lighting, no expensive camera, no perfect setup, just me and my Android phone. This brings me to my first tip. Just start. Just start. If you never start, you'll never know the outcome. And I know to some of you, just starting doesn't seem like a real tip, but it is. Sometimes we're our worst critic and we hold ourselves back with doubt, fear, and procrastination. When I first started my YouTube channel, I used to sit at a dining room table and I used natural day lighting to film with, and I would use anything that I could sit my phone on as a tripod. If I had a candle stick, if I had some boxes, whatever. Don't bullshit around saying what you're gonna do, and actually do it and change your life and change what path your future is taking. I come from a small city with not much support. I don't let that stop me from continuing to post on YouTube, which brings me to tip number 2. Take it serious. I'm serious when I say you have to take your YouTube channel serious. When I first started my YouTube channel, it was a hobby for me. So I only posted once a month, or sometimes even less than that. I would post maybe once every 2 to 3 months. I didn't take it serious at all. If you don't take your YouTube channel serious, who will? Think about that. You have to take yourself serious first before anyone else will take you serious. You have to treat it like a business, because that's exactly what it is. YouTube allows creators to grow their business by gaining an audience to watch your content and then eventually earning revenue. Tip number 3, consistency. You must be consistent. You must be consistent. You must be consistent. And I said it 3 times because I think, in my opinion, this is the most valuable tip in this entire video, because if you post consistently, then your viewers will look for you. Create a schedule. This way, your audience know when they can find you and when you're going to be posting videos. You can pick a certain time you want to post. That way, you're consistently posting the same day of the week at the same time. I suggest posting more than once a week so that your video has a better chance at being a ranked video. If you post 1 video a week, that's 4 times in a month. So if you double that, that's double the chances of your video being ranked, which brings more traffic to your business. You do the math. Tip number 4. Finding your niche or your niche. However you want to say it, just find it and apply it. In order for your channel to grow, you have to actually enjoy the content that you're posting. That way, it'll be easier for you to incorporate tips number 1 through 3. You'll actually enjoy it, you'll take it serious, and that will help you be consistent. My niche is beauty. So 80% of my videos will be beauty content, and 20% of my videos will be whatever else I like to do. But my audience know when they subscribe to my channel to see beauty, that's exactly what they'll do. And tip number 5, branding yourself. After you've sat down and you figured out what you want your content to be on your YouTube channel, no matter what type of content it is, you want your name to be creative yet original. Most beauty gurus like to keep their name simple. Most of them will use just their first or their last name, which is good. If you want to branch off of YouTube and work with another company, then it won't be hard for your viewers or your audience to find you and keep up with the things that you have going on. So before I came up with my new channel name, Jarenee, which is my first name mixed with my middle name, my YouTube channel name was Beauty Couture XX. At the time, I was actually 19 when I came up with my channel name, and I thought it was cute. I thought since it has something to do with beauty, that would be fine. And I had to start thinking, in the future, is this a name that I would want to collab with a big major company with? For instance, maybe Too Faced or Fenty, just naming things. I don't want to be branded as Beauty Couture XX. I wanted it to be something more original, and Jarenee is original because it is my actual name. Luckily, my audience was not huge back then, so it was okay. Stick to something you like to keep down confusion. Okay, so going over everything. Tip number 1, start your YouTube channel. Just do it. Don't get discouraged. Tip number 2, take your channel serious. Remember, if you don't take yourself serious, how do you expect others to? And tip 3, staying consistent. Stay consistent. People will appreciate you posting when you say you are going to post, and it helps you build a bond with your audience. Tip number 4, finding your niche. What sets you apart from other YouTubers for your audience to keep them coming to your channel? And last but not least, brand yourself. If you apply all these steps when you start your YouTube channel in 2019, you will grow fast. I love you guys, and stay tuned for next week's video. I'm going to go more in depth with you about how to stay consistent on YouTube so that you can get to your 1,000 subscribers. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload next week. And I love you guys, and talk to you in the next one. Bye!